don't matter who listening. Yeah, yeah. Girl, you be on the kitchen. Yeah, yeah. Girl, you wear like dirty dishes. Yeah, yeah. I'm just tryna be so strange. Looking at you, girl, you be right. I can do you right. I ain't really tryna do you wrong. This your song, you be high, you be flown, you be wings. Girl, you can take it on my mind. She just get me right there and she don't climb. I'm climbing to the medic, climbing to the fullest. She just say she symptomatic, I just do it cause I'm full. Gotta hit the beat and girl is jerking on her. She be giving me up there. Levitate when I go up there, I'm never gonna break. Yeah, take off, but he never second place. Nah, she gon' give it up. Yeah, give it up. She know I want it up. This is basketball. Watch me dribble her. Yeah, I'm in the lane. Put my head down and I hit the paint. Yeah, it don't matter who listening. Yeah, girl, you be on the kitchen. Yeah, yeah. Girl, you wear like dirty dishes. Yeah, yeah. I'm just tryna be so strange. I'ma treat her like a lover, I'ma do it cause you know that I'm slicker than some butter. Man, you know she got my cutter, she gon' do it, she know I love her. I just came from the bottom, I just came from the nutter. But I ain't trippin', I'm a lover like my mother. We best friends, man, she something like my brother. Going up there, we ain't never taking off. And I ain't trippin' cause we never took a loss. And when we take a lose, we don't lose each other. We be staying good, we don't never heal. We don't never broke. We ain't never broke, we ain't never steal, we ain't never choke. Girl, you, me and you, our love is like a quote. We can go hard, I love you on that boat. When I rock that boat, I'm thinking about a Leah. But you so good, I really know I need you. Yeah, it don't matter who listening. Yeah, girl, you be on the kitchen. Yeah. Girl, you wear like dirty dishes. Yeah, yeah. I'm just tryna be so strange. Yeah, it don't matter who listening. Yeah, girl, you be on the kitchen. Yeah, yeah. Girl, you wear like dirty dishes. Yeah, yeah. I'm just tryna be so strange.